So in this document, which is finance 2, we will go a little deeper into the finance. Basically, as we said, the entire ERP is multi-branch or multi-locational. So you have branches. So I'm taking just office, for example, and searching for corporate office. Okay. So here you will see the corporate office. It has lots of abbreviations which are used, and all this are described in the previous video. So here I'm trying to create the document bank account. That means every you know every branch can have multiple banks. So if you see below, these are the bank and cash series created. So there is an Axis Bank account so and so, SBI account so and so, and this is a bank payment and this is a bank receipt. So accordingly it is showing different bank accounts. So you can just create the account number, name, and the schedule in which it comes to, and that way you can define the bank and cash accounts. So these bank and cash accounts, if you see in the corporate office, you see Axis, SBI, and perhaps SBI 5678 and SBI 9012. Anyhow, from this, the document series or perhaps the voucher series are created, and you can see them here. So if I see bank payments, okay, so you will see SPH or SBI 5678, SBI 9072. These are all basically. So if I try to search for 5678 in this, so I will see one bank receipt and one bank payment. So that is about the document series. So now we have seen the accounts master setup. We are going to bank and cash vouchers. So you will see bank and cash vouchers is a set of group of vouchers. So if I select bank payment, you would notice all the banks that we have defined in the bank accounts have come here. So anyhow, let me take this as this is the bank payment. I'm trying to add a new payment to a specific account, maybe some Aditya Paints. So it is showing you this is the TDS, okay, and percentages and all that. In case if you want any sub account, then you can pick up, it could be a sundry creditors and the account. It can be maintained in 2-3 forms. Suppose you take advances. So you have loan payable, loan advances and all that. Suppose LTA advance, okay, or salary advance. Then you go for your employees, okay. Then you say you are paying it to so and so. Otherwise, you simply select it for a particular account. So I'm expenditure. I'm directly paying to some expenses. So maybe I will say I have some electricity bill I'm settling, and I want to settle for 12,000. So let me not take electricity bill. Maybe I will take Acer computers. There is a reason for that. So this is the 12,000 rupees I'm paying, and pay type, whether it is general and all that. What is the type of instrument? You can give the instrument number, okay, or you can pick the new check value or something. Maybe say, and then the date of the instrument and supply type. Is it you are making a payment? Is it on account, on a bill, or as an advance, or whatever it is? So this is the cross account. That means you are paying on behalf of any other branch. Suppose you are paying this Acer computers sitting at corporate office for, say, for example, Bangalore. Okay, so that is one case. So the appropriate accounts will be debited. Now let us take a simple case, and if it pertains to any specific project, you can pick the project. If it pertains to specific machine, you can pick the machine. If it pertains to specific If you remember, we have the other video, we have created a class accommodation, that also we have given, and any other invoice references and all that. So I'm creating the record. So 12,000 rupees I have created. Now we have to deduct the TDS. So the moment I try to approve, it says ensure TDS deduction is done if applicable. Of course, otherwise you can do it, but let us do the TDS deduction. So I'm going to deductions. The moment I go to deductions, we will see the various deductions. Just a minute. So you will see in today's date, this amount Acer Computers has been paid. So we were telling about the deductions. I went to go to deductions. This is the TDS. First is the TDS. You can select the applicable TDS percent. Okay, maybe 2%. So 12,240. And if you have any security deposit deductions and all these things, you can deduct it. For now, I'm just demonstrating the TDS deduction. So this is the total amount. And we have given a mechanism where you can type it out also. The reason is sometimes that exact amount by rupees or something does not tally. So that is also possible. So I'm just proceeding it. Now you will see we paid 12,000 to the Acer Computers. So both 12,000 have come, and however you will notice that this is split into two accounts. That is 10,800 is to the person and 1,200 is set off, and you have the 12,200. This is not a JV yet. When we post it, we know. That means basically you are debiting the Acer Computers this way and then crediting the TDS account. Okay, maybe the TDS account name has not come. So now the account is defined. I'm going to the TDS. I'm trying to pick a 2% TDS and deduct. So the amount got deducted, 1170 is debited and 240 is separately debited to the vendor, and TDS payable liability is created. So this transaction is happening from Axis Bank 3456. So I'm trying to approve this. It is telling me please check up. I said okay, fine, and I said post it. It is asking me to clarify. So I clarified and the account got posted. Now let us see in the posting account. You will see that the Acer Computers so basically the application is saying that you have to only make payment of 11,760. Though it is 12,600, we are paying 11,600, so 11,760 towards him, and 240 is reduced from the TDS, and the certificate will be given to him. So this is how the voucher has happened. Now if we go to the tree, that is the accounts master tree, okay, so the account tree, and in the liabilities we select Acer Computers. Okay, so here somewhere we will see the maybe let us. So here you are seeing the Acer Computer. Let us see the statement of account. So at the bottom you will see today's voucher is there and the respective amount, how it is paid, all these details are coming up in this. So that is the way the vouchers are done. And then of course you have sometimes you can make exclusive vendor payments, against bill or advance. You can pick a specific vendor. Maybe I'm just picking this vendor. Okay, it will show you have to give the basic bank details and all those things, and you say I'm going to clear this and I'm going to clear this. In this I'm going to clear only 12,000. I'm making it for access 3496. It's a check number is okay. Check date is maybe today. I'm just some remarks. I'm passing it. Okay, so I have selected. Please remember 12 and 15. I'm saving it. So it is telling me the basis access 3 for document number 1,71 is created. I can just go and check into my bank and cash. Okay, bank payment. You will see 1,71 and two payments of 15,000 are created. I can edit this and you'll see some remarks coming up. Okay, and these details have come. Now the final point is there is a set off. Suppose I'm going to my posted, only posted vouchers can be, you can do the set off. So this amount we have paid to the uh, vendor. Okay, so it is telling me how do you like to set off. Okay, there is an amount of 11,760. So it is telling me which one to set off. So you will see some of them just the amount is visible, document is not posted, so set off is not denied, is denied. Maybe some of them are stock documents are posted here. So you will see this 1,500. I can set up the full amount, or optionally I can say you do the auto set off. So when I did auto set off for the 11,760, it has selected three bills, this one, and this one. So I can just check up the set off again. I'm saying please show me the set off. It is giving me. Of course, there is a provision to reset back in case you have made a mistake. So this is how you do the, basically you have seen the accounts master. Okay, and then you have seen the branches document series, and then you have seen the bank and cash entries where we have made a bank payment and that payment is posted. Okay, so after posting we have done the set off of that. Thank you.